Good morning, class. Today we're going to be learning some new words together. We will be learning these words in English, Afrikaans and Setswana. Let's get started. Our first word that we will be learning today is wildcat. What do we call this in other languages? In Afrikaans, wildcat is called rooikat. Ek is bang vir die rooikat. Setswana is katse. Ke gotla katse yame. Our next word is cousin. What do we call this in other languages? In Afrikaans, we call cousin nig of neef. Ek en my neef speel saam. In Setswana, it's called ntsalake. Nale ntsalake re chameka moho. Now we are going to learn the new word home. In Afrikaans, this is called huis. Ek wil huis toe gaan. In Setswana, it's called gai. Ke batla goya gai. Our next word is bird. What do we call this in other languages? In Afrikaans, a bird is called voël. Die voël is groen. In Setswana, we call this dinonyane. Dinonyane etala. The next word we are learning is tree. The Afrikaans word is boom. Ek sit onder die boom. In Setswana, we call this setlare. Ke ntse ka fe tslase ga setlare. Next we have the word ball. In Afrikaans, we call this bal, which sounds very similar to ball. Ek skop die bal. In Setswana, it's called bolo. Ke raga bolo. Now we have the word city. In Afrikaans, this word is stad. Ek bly in die stad. In Setswana, it's called Toro Pok Golong. Ke na mo Toro Pok Golong. Our next word is berries. The Afrikaans word is bessies. Ons deel die bessies met die voëls. In Setswana, it's called meretlwa. Dinonyane ni ya lerona meretlwa. The next word is glasses. In Afrikaans, it's called bril. Ek dra 'n groot bril. Setswana, it is digalase. Ke rwala digalase tse digolo. Our last word we are going to learn today is honey. The Afrikaans word for honey is heuning. Heuning is soet. In Setswana, heuning is called mamepe. Di re abela mamepe. Thank you so much, friends.